Some parrots' beaks become overgrown due to infrequent usage. If you notice an enlarged beak, consult your vet to rule out any health issues. To prevent boredom, we avoid leaving or using toys that do not provide any physical or mental stimulation. Busy parrots are healthier and happier, especially if the toy gives rewards. Most metals are poisonous to birds. If you solely use stainless steel hardware, you can avoid this. Drilling with a half-inch bit. The PVC cap is perforated in the center. Using 2 washers and a butterfly nut, we can now secure the cap to the cage's bars. It is always critical to ensure that the wood you used is safe for birds. Here are a few examples. To get them started, make sure they know what they're looking for. We now cover the cap with your preferred material. Paper or cardboard that is easily shredded is ideal. Secure it with a washer and butterfly nut. Once cardboard is no longer a challenge, you may proceed to add thin layers of wood. Increase the thickness as they get better and faster. As birds become skilled, thicker and harder woods may be used to keep them entertained much longer. It is very important to be conscious of each bird's capabilities. If the material used is too hard, they may get discouraged or injured. Thanks for watching.